Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a full face of affordable makeup products that are my favorites. So I just want to share that with you guys today. So it's just basically planning makeup, and if you want to see what look we're going to come up with, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. It is the red button down below. Make sure you subscribe. So I'm so excited about this video because I am partnered with Teami Blends on this video. You guys, I'm so excited. They reached out to me, and it's so perfect because I'm on this new lifestyle journey where I'm eating a little bit healthier and working out, very much so active, more active than I was before. And so when they reached out to me, I was like, no way, no way. But I won't take up too much time. For those of you who are ready to jump into the makeup, let me just tell you about Teami Blends. So if you're not aware of Teami Blends is a lifestyle and wellness skincare line. They have teas where it specializes in teas. So everything is completely natural, cruelty-free, free of parabens, and check out their website. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you check out that coupon code in my description box below. You can save 25% off on your purchase. It is a variety of things on their website. So let me tell you what I got really quickly. So I got the Greens Superfood Blend, and it has matcha, spirulina, and wheatgrass in here. This is what it looks like. And you guys, I screwed it so tight because the powder kind of flips over. But this is a powder. It is super green. And I know sometimes we can get intimidated by like green powders and green drinks and green smoothies. You automatically think like celery. I know I did. But when I smell it, it's actually really mild. It smells good to me because I can smell the matcha tea. I'm over here inhaling powder. I can smell the matcha tea. So that's why I was so excited about this. And then let me just read a little bit of facts about this. So this is a nutritious blend of plant-based superfoods, perfect for getting your daily dose of powerful greens into your life. You guys, one scoop of this green powder is getting your daily supplement of greens. So I know sometimes you may be on the go, you may just not even think about it, especially being in quarantine. You're just not getting all the nutrients that your body needs when it comes to vegetables. Me, I love vegetables, but sometimes you just may not get the amount of serving size that you should have a day. So this is perfect. And if you are just not into vegetables, this will definitely help you get that daily nutrient that you need for vegetables. So let me tell you what this did for me so far. I've only tried this for about a week. So far, I've noticed that I have been more alarmed. I have been energetic. I work from home remotely, and now that is a blessing. I do not take it for granted. I just want to make that a disclaimer. And so if you work from home, you probably know, like sometimes you just feel like, you know what, I want to stop working and go lay on my couch, or I want to stop working and go lay on my bed, or just not work anymore and be off for the day. So since I've been taking this, I've actually been like energetic. How I make it, it came with this tumbler. They sent me this tumbler as well. You can choose any color tumbler on the site. You guys, this is your time to do it. Like I said, the coupon code is in the description box, so make sure you check the description box. And I have it in mint green, but like I said, they have a variety of powders, a variety of skincare products, serums, oils, masks, you name it, cleansers, everything. So this came with like this, so the cup goes in. It has a strainer because they do have herbal teas, like regular teas that you steam with water, and then you can travel with this. So many benefits from just this particular green superfood blend. I just mix mine with half water, half oat milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and cinnamon, and I'm good to go. I have tried it in a smoothie form. I've also tried it in a cold beverage and a hot beverage as well. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you know that so far with this week that I have been trying it has given me energy. I've been alert, and I feel just really refreshed. Comment down below if you tried Teami Blends, if you tried this particular product or any of their products in their website. I want to know down below, so let me know in the comments. And so yes, if you are here for the makeup tutorial, let's jump in. So I already moisturized my face, so I'm going to prime with my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. This is one of my favorite affordable primers. I love that this gives you a really like hydrating base. I talk about this all the time, but I just put it here. I put it all over my face basically. For foundation today, I was indecisive. I have a few favorite affordable foundations, so comment down below also if you want me to do like a favorite affordable foundations like that are really good. But I'm going to mix these two. I've never mixed them before. This is the MILANI Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in the shade Golden Tan. And then I'm also going to mix it with Born to Glow by NYX, and this is in the shade Caramel. So we're gonna see what these do. But how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. I'm so excited about sharing this experience with the Teami Blends. So make sure you guys check out their website. It's so many cute things on there, not just those tumblers. I want to go in for like a full coverage, so I'm going to go in with another pump of each. So these two mixed together actually look good. They don't look bad. You let me know what you think. Have you tried the NYX Born to Glow and the MILANI Concealer Perfecting Foundation? I do have reviews on both of those foundations, so you can check those out above, or they'll also be listed in the description box below if I can find those videos. So for concealer, same deal. I couldn't figure out which one, so I'm going to be going in with the NYX Born to Glow concealer. I'm in the shade Beige, and I'm going to also go in with Juvia's Place number 15. Now, when I first bought this Juvia's Place concealer a while ago, I was like, I don't know what everyone is saying, like it's matte, full coverage. Like, to me, it gives me a little bit of hydration, but once you set it, it is definitely long wearing. And I noticed that when I allow it to sit on my face for a while, that's when I realized I started liking this a lot. And I actually use this so much. I use it to carve out my brows today. I use it to carve out my brows any day that I'm carving out my brows. I just really like this one. So again, I'm in the shade 15, but everything that I'm using will also be listed in the description box below as well. And then this NYX concealer has a little bit of a yellowy undertone to it, so I'm gonna just put just a little bit here. It's almost empty, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the forehead first while the other parts are drying out. This actually looks really, really good. So for a setting, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite. This is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. You guys heard me talk about this powder numerous of times when I first started my channel, even up to now, and I have it in the shade Naturally Neutral. You can purchase this at Walmart, and I really like this Airspun powder because it's so smooth. It does have a fragrance to it, so if you are not into like that strong perfume scent, this definitely has perfume, like a perfume scent, but you can't smell it. You really can't smell it after you know, blend everything in. For everywhere else over my face, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the shade Medium. I do like using this to set everywhere else on my face, so that is why I'm going in with this one. What's your favorite affordable drugstore product? It can be anything. It can be foundation, it can be concealer, it can be powder. Let me know down below. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. It looks like this. I have it in the shade Trailblazer. I know I recently talked about this bronzer. Look how big the pan is, but it has been like my go-to. I gravitate towards this so quickly, and I love how it's so opaque and just does what it needs to do without me having to do too much work. For eyes today, I'm gonna go in with two things here. So I love these ColourPop Super Shadow eyeshadows. This one has cracked on me, but I still love the shade. This one's in the shade All In, and it's like this really pretty burgundy. Look at that, it is so pretty. I love these Super Shock shadows. Like, they're so quick, so easy to apply to the eye, and you don't have to do too much work, so that's why I want to go in with that. But I also have been loving the e.l.f. What are these called? Bite-sized eyeshadows. I love this particular one. It's called Berry Bad. I'm gonna take this light shade here and go all over my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ColourPop shadow on my eye as well. So I'm gonna take my finger. These work really well with your finger, and I'm gonna place that all over the lid. Look at that. Wow. Every time I use these, I'm like, wow. And then I'm just gonna take the Morphe M505 brush with nothing on it and just blend the crease part. Now going on this outer part, I'm gonna take the shade in the e.l.f. palette, this one right here, and just place that on the outer corner. Just to like smoke it out a bit. but I'm not gonna like take it up too far. I'm just gonna blend it here. Alright, so because I want to be a little bit extra today, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of light, like a light pink in the middle. I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade here. It's gonna give it a different look, I'm sure. But let me use a little brush to see if I can pat this one on. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm not sure of a number or anything because it came in a set. Okay, not bad. So I am going to be going in with some false lashes. These are the Kiss Blowout Lash, and I love these ones. They're called Page Boy. They're so easy to put on, so natural. I got these from TJ Maxx for $4.99 for 4 pair. So I'm gonna pop on a pair, the pair that I wore last, and I'm gonna pop these on, and then we'll be right back. I'll be back to finish up the face. So lashes are on. I went into the bottom lash line with the same dark shade that we used for the outer corner. For blush, I'm so in between these two. I always use this Sephora one. This is the Sephora Hot Flush number 13. This is the Sephora collection, so it's super affordable. The Sephora collection line is affordable, but I also love my e.l.f. Always Rosy blush as well. So I'm gonna mix those two. Highlight, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite, the ColourPop Loose highlighter by Shayla and ColourPop collaboration. This is in the shade Pose, and I love this stuff. And a little bit of this goes a long way, and there's so much still in this packet, like crazy. But first I'm gonna spray my face. I have been loving the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. It does keep your face hydrated, so that's why I really like it. And I think for this look, I'm just gonna stick to one of the nudes. So I'm gonna go into number 72. I'm gonna line my lips with my, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Pencil in Vibes. It's a darker brown. I'm gonna take the Sephora liquid lipstick in this new color, number 72. Look at that. Perfect. This is definitely giving me a fall vibes. On top of that, I have been using this gloss like crazy. It's almost done, if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see it. But I talked about these. These are the Maybelline lip glosses, lifter gloss to be exact, hyaluronic acid glosses. This one's in the shade 002 Ice. I do have a review here, my first impressions. This is the clear one. This gloss is amazing. So if you want to get some details on it, make sure you check out that video. I'll link it down below. But again, the Maybelline lifter glosses. So that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy video using affordable makeup, my favorites. So let me know down below, girl. This is looking real cute. Let me know down below if you like any of these products, if you have them in your collection. What is your favorite makeup affordable product that you always use in your routine? Let me know down below. And don't forget to check out Teami Blends. I have a coupon code for you guys. You can save 25% off on your purchase. Definitely check out their website for some awesome products to just help give you energy and give you that healthy lifestyle going forward. So yes, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.